this chord always appears in songs either after a G chord or after an E type chord. If you play the 3-finger G like this, you will take off the second finger on top and add your first fingertip to the 6th string 2nd fret, and that will give you G F hash. Another way of doing it is to take the 2nd finger off and bring the thumb in to press it down. That's another way to do it. And because it's always between the E and the G type chords, I would recommend practicing the chord after it as well. This is one of the great secrets to mastering chords on guitar, and it's how we do it in our beginner's guitar program. We don't just learn the chord, because it's not the chord that's the issue for beginners. You can learn thousands of chords without ever taking another guitar lesson. It's the bit between the chords is the issue. And by practicing your chord between two other chords, or just with one more chord, you actually get the chord change as well. G F hash. If you play G with these two fingers, the third and the little, then you would play G F hash with just by dropping the 2nd finger on, or by bringing the thumb in over the top. And again, because it's almost always followed by an E type chord, I would practice an E minor under that.